Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got a handy tip for Samsung smartphone users, and who knows, it might just work on other Android devices as well. We're going to dive into how to retrieve those elusive deleted messages. So here's the scenario. You see a message notification, but by the time you click on it, it's already gone. Frustrating, right? Let's fix that. Step 1. Head to your phone's settings. You can find this by swiping down and tapping the gear icon or by searching in your app drawer. Next, search for Notifications and click on it. Once you're in there, tap on Advanced Settings. Now the magic happens. Look for Notification History and flip the switch to turn it on. Voila! You've just unlocked a treasure chest of deleted messages. You'll now be able to access those notifications you thought were lost forever. This simple trick can be a lifesaver for anyone who's missed important messages. And that's a wrap for today, folks. If you found this tip helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech savvy.